I go first. I draw. Right into that. Go ahead.
Right? Starter skill. Top 7 for the grade 2 Riviere or grade 3 Riviere. Add to my hand.
Anyway, I'll leave it.
Good. No. And the grade 1 Riviere gains 1,000 if I have to start it myself.
Gotcha.
Can't do that.
Hey, Margo.
8.
8 to Vanguard?
Yep.
I'll take one. Power.
What kind?
Oh, wait, my turn?
Water.
I draw.
Tonight.
Anything with
Right to grade 2. Swing for 14.
No guard.
Okay.
That means
Sink 1.
Alright, super idol.
Spores and
When I have the grade 1 Riviere,
sleeping
my
bags
soul,
and
I draw 1 card.
Okay.
and card games.
9 to Vanguard.
Ah, no, and unicycles.
I'll just take
10 to Vanguard.
And
Card games on submarines.
Lauris.
Wouldn't it be
Alright, my
in
turn.
submarine? Do not
please top deck it.
collect me.
I do not.
Scuba gear riding on the submarine.
I Jesus.
Wait, what about the cards?
Because they're fighting in the water. No, those things are like top loaders, and the holograms where it's water. The holograms are water.
0.
Fail to Jesus.
Oh, wait, there's a shark on God! Does that mean I win?
Yeah.
I think that means I win.
Sucks, man.
What are you playing now?
Riviere.
Okay.
Go GSS.
Good. Sorry. Well, since I failed, may as well just swing.
14. No guard.
You know what this means?
No, please don't. Wait.
Bum, 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 bum,
Oh, no, please don't. Please don't make me have to do this.
Ride.
Please don't. Please don't stop.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That's boring.
And Canvas 2. Ditch.
Please don't make me write him.
What's hilarious?
Sea breeze.
Sea breeze. Oh no, sea breeze. You brought up the sea breeze.
That it's Aaron, Mikasa, and not Armin.
And not army. Yeah, sorry.
9 to Vanguard.
Knights of Van.
Don't worry. He's known for his majestic Echo voice.
It was so annoying in the Japanese dub, I gotta say. When he
26.
whine,
26.
I don't want to watch Armin. I don't
Can't
want to
either.
watch his anime if I want to hear his whining and bitching.
And you got 3 heals in your hand.
Friggin' beautiful.
That's 19.
You know what's weird?
29.
29. That's 1 pass.
All my friends have problems. I don't know about that until now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ash?
No pass.
It's not my friend. Go on.
16 to your Vanguard.
Go on.
I'll just take that. Are you kidding me? It's Gurguit.
Have you ever seen
Need that.
Shade get mad?
I will.
No, but have you ever seen him like get
I draw. No, please don't make me do this. Please, Lord. Oh, mighty Lord, don't make me do this. I have to, Lord. Try to Daniel.
Wow.
Oh, mighty Lord, how you forsaken me.
Oh, yeah.
voice was flat?
Eva's brother.
Anyway, she was like,
Counterblast.
because she was doing here. Once you
Wait, no, that doesn't work.
you don't need a person to about. Okay, you see the word school? Yeah. You see the
I do right until it rocks.
see the high school still letter A is a boy.
Perfect.
It's an
Now that's Soul Blast.
She's like apple. And I was like, I want you to do a Trey impression. Okay. Okay, Kate, you start off. Okay. Hey. Do you see the school logo? It's somewhere in the apple. It's the A.
If I do this, I draw a card.
Doesn't make any sense. No, Kate, I don't understand.
Oh dear. Swing 31. All effect. Wait, crit. Power.
Wow.
That's exactly
You.
Yeah,
Card of Vanguard.
it's not that.
This falls off. Wait.
Oh, you can have one attack though.
Yeah, I'll swing at
I
Vanguard.
know that they're going to.
It's at 16.
Oh no, no.
16, that's 8, 9,
That's 13.
13. Yeah, I'll just swing at Can I make this?
Yeah.
Sorry.
So my $16 card.
Counterblast 1. When this unit attacks with Vanguard, if this is boosted, you can finish cost. If you do, choose one of your other rear guards, return it to your hand, choose up to one card from your hand, and call it a rear guard. Then that unit gets +3. Yeah, I'm gonna hit that. Okay.
Right in. Right in.
This at the end of battle.
Oh shit.
Enter soul. And charge. This falls off. Go ahead.
Wait. Draw. Draw card.
1, 2, 6.
Try.
I had no idea you ran a sea breeze in here.
I sure.
I fucked up.
In Prism, I don't play Sea Breeze.
Okay, okay.
Oh, hi, Pinkie Pie.
Call my SP Aqua.
Well, it's a vanilla though.
Yeah, but SP. That's the only reason why I play it.
I mean, it is a 10K. I'm a grant you that. It's a 10K. It's like that blaster dart thing, where it's also a gold pal, but
Yeah.
it's a shat pal at the same time. Though it dies when it gets attacked, no matter what. How big?
This is 17 to your 10K.
17 to my 10. Really? Oh dear.
I don't think you should. Yeah. I have done it.
That's G guard.
Okay, but.
This gets +5 since I have
2. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
This falls off.
16 to your Vanguard.
16 to van. Shit.
But pay for it. Is it? You know what? No, you have to. I'll. Is
No.
it? I'm gonna pay for half of it.
Vanguard, activate Olivia.
She's gonna pay for it.
Count blast. I'll flip over a copy of Olivia.
Okay.
Turning these 4. And then I call 2 cards for in the same column.
Gotcha.
This is 26, 27, 32 to your Vanguard
Yeah,
with
but
an
she's not gonna
additional
keep it.
crit.
She's gonna give it to her cousin.
Well, I'm a G guard again.
Because she's not fertile.
36?
Yep. No, this is 32.
32. That's 30. Ah, damn it, man. Make me do this.
So that's 1 pass.
Wait, one to pass? Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
What was that like?
Nah.
So double G card.
Yeah. I mean, that's the only reason why I have those 3 heals in my hand.
Okay, so that's 30. Okay, so that'd be no. Okay, that'd be no pass since you activated that skill.
Wow, where were you when I needed it?
Okay, no pass.
Now I must shuffle my deck. Go ahead, dry check.
I know, I want to do.
No heal.
I had to use 3 heal triggers to guard.
Did you guys mention it was SP?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
SP?
pretty.
Okay.
The fact that it's a vanilla though, it kind of turns me off.
Okay, my SP is going to finish it actually.
Maybe.
Trading token.
Let's see.
20.
I was about to say GB. I didn't recognize he wasn't on Gurguit.
Wait, so we haven't been
27 to
talking-
your Vanguard.
Lord?
Please make it a heal.
Lord?
Please make it a heal.
How many do you have left?
1.
Oh my
One
God.
left.
Wow.
I drew all 3 of those. Please, dear Lord. Power.
Is it game?
Yeah, that's